Welcome to today's episode where we dive into cloud storage and its integration with everyday tools, specifically focusing on an interesting application called WinCC, that's Windows Cloud Storage Explorer. Now picture this. You have all this digital content stored in Amazon S3 buckets, which essentially are like virtual warehouses in the cloud. But accessing them isn't always easy. That's where WinCC comes in. Imagine having the ability to view and manage your S3 buckets right from your Windows Explorer interface, just like you would with any folder on your computer. It makes cloud storage feel so much more accessible and user-friendly. So how does WinCC actually work? Well, it integrates AWS S3 buckets directly into Windows Explorer. If you're a Windows 10 user or later, this could be a game changer for how you manage your cloud files. Once you install it, and I'll outline that in a moment, you simply run a setup script, enter your AWS credentials, and boom. Your S3 storage is now easily navigable through Explorer. But let's unpack that for a second. The installation requires a couple of things. First, you need WinFSP, which is essential for creating a file system in user space. Wow, that sounds technical, doesn't it? But essentially, it allows your Windows system to interact with these cloud files seamlessly. Then, you'll also need the AWS SDK for C++, which brings the power of AWS services right to your fingertips. Now, during setup, you might be walking through a form screen where you enter your AWS credentials. This part is crucial. It's how WinCC recognizes your account and links your storage with the tool. It's like giving it a key to your virtual warehouse. After you click Create, you're not done yet. There's still that step of executing a batch script to mount the drive. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. It's all laid out in an easy-to-follow guide. But, and this is vital to note, there are a few limitations. For instance, file editing directly through WinCC isn't supported just yet, which is somewhat of a bummer if you're looking to modify files on the go. Plus, files larger than 4 megabytes? Forget it. They won't be accessible at all. Also, if you're looking to navigate through buckets across different regions, well, that won't work either. Why mention these limitations? Because understanding the boundaries of technology is just as important as knowing how they can assist us. And hey, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for updates that might enhance functionality down the line. As a closing thought, imagine the future when these limitations are lifted. The possibilities with seamless cloud integration could lead to a much more efficient workflow, especially for developers and businesses alike. For now, if you need stable operations while working with S3, be sure to check out rclone, as it's recommended for situations where WinCC might not be the perfect fit. So whether you're a developer or just a tech-savvy user looking to simplify your cloud management, tools like WinCS are definitely worth exploring. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm excited to continue this journey of diving deeper into tech that shapes our daily lives. Until next time.